safety, so I don't go shooting where your nigga be. Girl, you dodging bullets trying to play me, and I'm left to deal with how you made me. Got a whole lot of...
What's up, guys? It's your girl Rena Monee, and I'm back with another video. I told you I was coming back with another one, and I got something I think all y'all want to see today. Let me get a better light because I don't want y'all to not see me. As y'all can see by the title of this video, this is going to be how to apply false eyelashes tutorial. I already got one of them on. I look crazy on this side. Just look at me from this view. I look better. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm so greasy today. As y'all can see, I don't have on any makeup today. I did my eyebrows by myself though. How do y'all think they look? If y'all want a video on that, let me know down below. Anyway, I'm just gonna be showing y'all what lashes I'm using. I use a lot of lashes, but these are a kind that I've been using a lot lately. These are drugstore, well, not drugstore, the beauty supply store. Miss 3D volume lash. See if y'all can see that better. Yeah, these are in the style M368, and I love these lashes, y'all. I love these so much. I've been using them for like 3 months. I get, of course, different styles. I don't get the same style every time, but this is a style that I have on today, so I'm showing y'all these. Alrighty, so first you're gonna need glue, of course, eyelashes and tweezers, and I would say like a little handheld mirror, one of these bad boys. Yeah, and I would prefer you to sit in front of like a desk or something, so where you can set the mirror on top so you can look down and then apply your lash. Okay. Alright, you guys, first we're gonna start off by taking our tweezers, and honestly, you guys, I wouldn't even use tweezers if I had my nails done, because I get them done really long anyway, so it would just be really easy to just pick up the lash with the fingernail and then just apply them like that. It's really easy, but tweezers is always the better way to go because it's something that you always have. See, I don't have those. I got these little nubs. So honestly, I'm all out of eyelash glue right now. So what I use when I don't have eyelash glue is this Super Bond glue. Dun dun dun. Don't freak out, y'all. It's not that big of a deal. I still have plenty of eyelashes, like plenty of eyelashes. I'm gonna give y'all no makeup look soon, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I don't use this one all the time, honestly, guys. I only use it sometimes because I just feel like it's supposed to go on your hair, so that's why I just don't use it all the time. But I know a lot of people that do, so. Alrighty, so first you're just gonna start off by taking the glue and applying some on whatever you have. Like, I'm using a stick for this one because the things that I had, like the toothbrush thing, not toothbrush, but like popsicle stick thing I usually use with that, I'm all out of those too. I'm a broke college student, y'all, so. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just, you hold the lash on the tweezer right in the center, just like that. And of course, you're gonna line it up with your eye. Since I'm applying it to my right side, the inner left part should be shorter, and then this part should be longer on this side. So what I'm gonna do is just paint the glue on the strip, just like this. I'm gonna show y'all better. Y'all see that? Okay, now that we have the glue sit on here, some people like to blow it. You can blow it. I just suggest not to blow it if you're putting these on somebody else. Like, if you're doing someone's makeup, don't blow the eyelash. I don't know, that just seems kind of wrong to me. But since I'm putting it on my own eye, it doesn't matter. And as y'all can see, I got a little dark spot right here, and then I got one right here because I popped a pimple. I had a pimple in my last video, y'all, and I popped it, and I shouldn't have. So yeah, that's there. Anybody got any remedies on how to get rid of dark marks and dark circles and stuff? Let me know. Alright guys, I feel like it's dry enough and enough tacky to put on, and you want to wait at least 20 seconds, but I run my mouth too much, so it's a little more than 20 seconds. But anyway, you're going to have the mirror right here, and you're going to put it directly up under your chin. I'm going to scoot in for y'all. And once you have it on there, you're gonna align it directly on your lash line. Literally as close to your lashes as you can get it. Alrighty, can y'all see that? Just like that. On the lash line. So yeah guys, I guess this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Turn that bell on so you're always notified whenever I post a video. And also anything that you guys want to see on this channel, let me know. And also me and my boyfriend have a channel, and it'll be in the description box down below, so make sure to check us out and also subscribe to our channel. All right, love you guys. Bye.